fuck are you looking at? So guys, I got something cool today. Something real cool today. We got a nice little Pikachu model kit. Got a nice little Pikachu model kit we're gonna be putting together today. It's gonna be a great fucking time. I hope it doesn't take me 3 weeks. Some key features of this little product we got here. Its ears will move when you shake his head. There's no glue required. Good, I don't like glue. There's no painting required. Good, painting is hard. I can't stay in the fucking lines. The result is colorful, it says. The result is colorful. Thank God, because if it wasn't in color and I didn't need paint, I was gonna be really fucking confused. It's for ages 15 and up. Ages 15 and up, so I def make the cut. I think I make the cut, but there's also a warning. Small parts are not for children under 3 years, so I'm in the middle. I'm in the gray area. Try moving its tail too. The fuck? 6 and up. Wait. Huh? Bandai, y'all gotta work on this. For ages 15 and up. 6 plus. What, bruh? Alright, let's jump right into the fucking action. Don't mind my keyboard and stuff in the back, you know. It doesn't matter. Take this. Bust this bitch off. This is cool. I never seen nothing like this before. Let's see what we got. What the fuck? It looks like I have dismembered Pikachu and sent his body parts through the mail. And we got a nice little instruction booklet telling me how to do this. Hopefully I can use a couple brain cells and figure this out. Now remember guys, it says no glue and no painting required. Oh, there's little stickers. There's little stickers for his little mouth. His little mouth. What about his little eyeballs? How is his eyeballs gonna look like eyeballs instead of just looking like a hollowed out skull of Pikachu? Okay, I don't really fucking care about instructions. What the fuck? I thought this was gonna be easy. Oh, maybe not. Okay, what the fuck? We have a missing foot. Pikachu's foot. Okay, let's take the hollow skull. Let me throw this away. Instead of being such a fucking slob. I'm so worried about taking these off. I don't want to damage his poor little skull. And this is the back of his fucking head. This is where you would go Michael Jordan. Okay, let's set this off to the side. What the fuck? Alright. Come on. We have to put an A1. What the fuck is an A1? We gotta put one of these? No, we're gonna put one of these in his head. Okay. At least they number each part individually. That makes it a little easier. I still feel like I'm gonna break something trying to get these out of here. Oh, there's a little slot you guys can see. This is his eye. Oh my god, Pikachu looks like a fucking demon. Here's piece 12. Oh my god. I'm gonna take that, presumably push it into place. Okay, this is starting to look like an actual Pikachu now. Still looks like a damn demon. What piece is that? What part of Pikachu is that? His neck? No, my god. Okay. Okay. This part's pretty self-explanatory, I think. That's a Pokemon Snap for you. Okay, we're gonna put it in here. Like so. What the hell? That's Pikachu's fucking vertebrae. Oh, I put it in too far. Oh, wait. I'm all fucked up. I'm supposed to put it in one of these. This is a little Pika booty. Oh, okay, that makes much more sense. This is his fucking neck. What the hell? We're gonna give you a Pokemon Snap on the Switch. We're gonna snap this bitch in here. What the? Do like that? Like that? Like that? I think we're gonna put it in like that. This is confusing. Hey, what is that thing right there? That is a A114. If you guys don't know about the A114 part of a Pikachu, you're obviously stupid. Okay. Oh, this is how his ears must move. Okay, this is starting to look even creepier than before. What the? Oh, see the little mechanism? It doesn't work. I did something wrong. Where's the other? Oh god, I lost a piece. Pikachu might have to be without an ear. Oh, it's right here. Okay. I think this is good. I think that's good. We're gonna slap his fucking demonic face on top. Okay, I see. You see how the ears move? Oh, cute. Fucking demon. Now we're gonna start putting some arms together. Oh, look at you, little cute paws. Look at you, little cute little guys. Oh my goodness. Here, let me focus. Oh, look at you cute little guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Snap them together. Oh my god. Okay. Then I think we're gonna do the same with the other side. Yep. Oh my goodness. Oh, Pikachu. I've dismembered Pikachu's arms. And I gotta put the arms in now. Oh god. Okay, which one goes where? Does it fucking matter? They're both. This little Pikachu arm. Oh, they move! They move! They move! That's so cool. Oh, look at little Pikachu. Pika! 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 The power of Christ compels you! And we're gonna put his little legs in. Okay, we're gonna put his little feety in. Oh, look at that. Oh, what are those? Alright, let's keep going. Alright, we're gonna have to put his fucking stripes on. This feels terrible. Stripe 1, stripe 2. Okay, one has a different indent than the other. If you can see, this one has one in the middle, this one has 2 on the side. And the corresponding brown piece of Pikachu's back, they also have the same indentations. Snap, take this one, snap. Okay, this is actually starting to look like a Pikachu. Yo, he actually stands. Y'all see that? He stands. Still standing. That boy is swagged out. Look at that boy. Wow, look at his ears move. Alright, let's finish. A228 and A222. That's a lot of numbers. I don't know how to remember all that. You are the next contestant on. We're building a model Pikachu. Gonna snap these in. Nice. I like the snap. It's therapeutic. Oh my god, I'm dropping pieces. Fuck. Put it like this. Okay. Let's stay perfectly still. Can you guys see that? You guys see that right there? Right here. This isn't a part of the instruction booklet. This is real life, baby. Now we're gonna take the other side of his tail. I never knew Pikachu's tail was 2 parts. Something I really could have lived my whole life without knowing. Honestly. Okay. Do these just snap in? Yep, snap in. It looks good. Oh yeah, that is solid. Probably the best modeler builder ever. Little Pika booty. The boy thick. The boy thick. We're gonna shove his tail right up his ass. There we go. Oh, nice. It's functional. It moves. My Pikachu is not why does it say my Pikachu is complete? Where are his ears? Oh, I missed a step. I didn't put his ears together. Oh my god. Put them together first? I think we put them together first. If we don't put them together first, we're fucked. Never knew those were 2 parts either. Okay, that looks like a sausage fingernail with the ladies with the booty scratchers. You know the booty scratchers? I know you know the booty scratchers. We're gonna attach this. Oh wow, look at that ear. Oh, little Pikachu. Wow, buddy. Wow. Wow. What the fuck is that? Alright, then we're gonna take the other ear. I'm guessing at this point. Put the thing together. Attach that. Little booty scratcher right there, boy. My booty itches. I'm gonna attach this one. I think I've successfully made a Pikachu. Bend his tail the right way. So that's how Pikachu looks right there. Pika, Pika. Fuck out of here. Alright, now we gotta put on our eye stickers. So we got 2 stickers for his fucking eyeballs. That's weird. Kind of morbid. Performing surgery on a Pikachu. Giving him sight again. Wow, Pikachu. One of your eyes work now. Each eye is uniquely labeled. Number 1 and number 2. What the fuck does it matter? Yeah, there we go. There we go. He's got sight again. We need to put his mouth on and his nose. Didn't even fucking realize Pikachu ever had a nose. Oh no, I would have done this before he was fully assembled. I don't know why they put it last in the directions. Yeah, that part was easy. Looks kind of fucking lopsided. Look a little too happy to see me, especially after I just stuck his tail up his ass. Okay, let's put on his little stupid nose. Is that the way it's gonna go? Little stupid nose. Why is the sticker so big, but his nose is so small? Why not just give me these? There you have it, guys. This is my fully assembled Pikachu. He's super bright right now. Let him fucking suck. Let's bring it back to the other camera because this ain't good. My fully assembled Pikachu. He looks pretty cute. His nose looks a little weird, kind of looks like a dog. Yeah, this was worth the $10 I spent just for the ear moving alone. He's got tail up his ass, that's good. Got some stripes on his back. This is a waste of plastic here, but I guess it's necessary. I need to know which part is which. It's definitely worth the $10. I very much so enjoyed putting this little bastard together. This little demon. He was a demon for about 9 out of 10 of the performance here. The little get together, put together. Look at that boy dance. That boy dance. Oh man, he's so fucking lit, bro. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you spending your time with me. You know, I know you see it poking over in the background right over there, but yeah, this is definitely what's gonna be next. I know you've seen it in the corner. Next is gonna be Mewtwo on this channel. This is not a model put together channel, whatever the fuck you want to call it. It's not what this channel is. This channel is whatever the fuck I want it to be. Also, Bandai's also releasing some more of these, so that might be the move, to be honest with you. This was kind of fun. And look, I got a nice little figure that I put together my goddamn self. I can put it over in the why is he leaning Tower of Pisa right now? Hold on a second, did I do something wrong? That's yeah, I got a nice little figure to put in the background that I actually put together myself. I feel involved. I feel like I did something today. Be sure to leave a comment and tell me if you think Pikachu is thick or you think they put his ass on the wrong way. Guys, if you're enjoying the content, why don't you throw me a quick little subscribe, you know, a little subscription, you can see my little videos when they come out on your little subscriptions page. Maybe you see it on your you know, your home page. Maybe it's worth a shot, buckaroo.